आज हम जो बात करने वाले हैं, we are going to talk about sanitization of your employees, which is very very important. Sanitization of your store, sanitization of car interior and exterior, sanitization for your visitors, customers जो रोज आ रहे हैं, how to do a contactless delivery. And end of this, we are introducing you two very good disinfectant products. So it's not compulsory to buy, but we will be trying to give you information about our two new products जो हम लोग introduce करेंगे. उससे पहले we will understand that how exactly and what all the precautions you should take. I will be putting on the chat again for just a minute. If you think that everything is going fine, you can put Y so that we can go ahead. Is there any issue, anything which is not audible to you guys? Okay. When you raise hand, I don't understand that what you want to speak, so it is better you put it in a chat if you have any issue, so we all can see if you are missing any audio or video or anything. All okay? That's fine. Very good. Very good. So we'll start again. Yeah. Yes, guys. So we are almost at 71 participants now, so we should start immediately. Thank you, guys. Yeah, we'll start. यस गाइस, तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट पोस्ट लॉकडाउन है कि हमें सैनिटाइजेशन और सेफ्टी स्टैंडर्ड्स मेंटेन करने हैं अपनी शॉप में. आपके एम्प्लॉइज जो रोज आ रहे हैं, द एम्प्लॉइज व्हिच आर गोना कम टू योर स्टोर एवरी डे, दे नीड टू बी mentally and physically both protected. Your employees should not feel that they are at risk. So this whole presentation we have designed in a way that your customers and your employees both have a sense of feeling that we are secured and this place is secure to come every day. Because see, what is going to happen? You are the most important person and your employees are also very important for your business. If any of your employee goes any issues with this pandemic, now he will have to isolate, but your shop will be stopped. आपकी दुकान बंद करा दी जाएगी. आपका एक भी employee को अगर कुछ पॉजिटिव पकड़ा गया तो सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल व्हाइल ओपनिंग योर शॉप, आपके एम्प्लॉइज को एंड आपको खुद को. नहीं तो 15-20 दिन के लिए, एंड सोशल मीडिया इज सो स्ट्रॉन्ग नाउअडेज, समबडी पुटिंग इन है ना सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट के सो एंड सो डिटेलिंग स्टूडियो में से एक आदमी पॉजिटिव पकड़ा गया, कस्टमर्स आर नॉट गोना कम टू योर स्टूडियो फॉर नेक्स्ट 1, 2 or 3 months. So this is what you'll have to boost confidence of all your visitors. You should clearly reflect that you have been taking utmost care in all the processes, right dear? Now, what I also believe, and many people have started believing, that post-lockdown, what is the most important detailing service customers will be asking from you? I understand that sanitizing or disinfecting the car is gonna be most important service, and there will be plenty of customer. ये service बहुत demand maximum, and we will be not doing it only for sake of doing it. मतलब सिर्फ करने के लिए नहीं करना है. I would request and advise and suggest every one of you that we should understand the exact sanitization process and do it very very professionally. So when customer comes to your detailing shop for sanitizing, he should be happy that okay fine, पूरा एकदम अच्छे से एक एक स्टेप ऑन साइंटिफिकली हमने पूरा गाड़ी सैनिटाइज करके दिया है. अब होगा क्या कि फ्रॉम today onwards people will start moving, they'll start commuting to their own factories and offices and everything, and by default they will be worried about hygiene and sanitizing the touch point. Now some people may travel with their family, friends, staff, etc. whatever, car will be used a plenty and car will have to frequently sanitize. Please understand over here कि एक बार sanitize करने से कुछ नहीं होगा. You will have to make your people understand, your customers understand that sanitization has to be done frequently. बार बार करना पड़ेगा. One very important point I'm trying to tell you over here is that sanitizer cannot replace soap wash. This needs to be conveyed to all customer. WHO भी यही बोल रहा है, पहले हैंड वॉश करना है, बाद में सैनिटाइजर लगाना है. सेम इज फॉर एवरी सरफेस, whether that surface is for cars or whether that surface is your own furniture or your floor or anything. Sanitizers is not a replacement of soap wash. Wiping with sanitizer of all touch point is must before every usage. You will understand कि कैसे वाइप करना है एंड वाई सैनिटाइजर यूज करना है एज ए स्टेप नंबर 2. स्टेप नंबर 1 रिमेन्स ऑलवेज क्लीनिंग. नाउ जो कस्टमर आपके वहां आ रहा है, ही ऑल्सो हैज टू बी टेकिंग केयर ऑफ मोस्ट ऑफ योर hygiene matters, means has to be purely simply visible. मतलब एकदम जो भी आपके स्टोर में आए उसको 100% it should be visible कि हमने या आप लोगों ने डिटेलिंग स्टोर को हाइजीन तरीके से रखा है. Maybe you can put some signages and everything. So before you start customer's car, I would suggest that you should first do your store. पहले पूरा स्टोर को सैनिटाइज करके आपके सारे इक्विपमेंट्स, योर ऑल वर्किंग स्टाफ एंड एवरीथिंग, टूल्स जितने भी हैं जो भी आप यूज करोगे बाय हैंड, यू शुड फर्स्ट सैनिटाइज दैट. दैट इज द फर्स्ट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. नाउ सबसे पहला सब्जेक्ट अपन लेने वाले हैं सैनिटाइजेशन फॉर एम्प्लॉइज, बिकॉज दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. आपका एम्प्लॉय अगर आपके वहां पे नहीं आएगा तो आप बिजनेस नहीं कर पाओगे. दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज यू नीड पीपल टू डू योर कार्स, अदरवाइज यू वोंट बी एबल टू डू एनीथिंग इन द कार. तो सबसे पहला foremost thing I'm gonna suggest you is that you should keep one daily register where you are writing down your employee's name and with the temperature check, the guns temperature check when he landed at your store. जब आपकी दुकान पे आया था तो उसका टेम्परेचर क्या था. तो you should maintain that while he comes and while he goes. उसको कुछ proper gloves, mask and maybe individual sanitizers to every team member. This should be done. And proper guidelines to be displayed in detailing area like 7 steps of hand washing, do's and don'ts, guide to clean detailing store के furniture, tools, every contact area, touch point, railing, door handle, जहां पे भी आपके एम्प्लॉयज का या आपके कस्टमर्स के हाथ लगने वाले हैं या टच पॉइंट्स होने वाले हैं, you will have to make sure that everything is sanitized before you start working every day. It is not only the first day after the lockdown. You should do it every day. Then you will have to arrange your employees in a way कि they keep a social distance. आपको आपके employees को आदत डालनी होगी and आपको उनको समझाना पड़ेगा. You will have to draw some circle that where they should sit in your office. So moment your customer comes in, he also sees your employees are maintaining a social distance. और यहाँ पर मैं एक सजेस्ट करूंगा कि जब भी आप कार लेंगे तो एक आदमी को ही एक कार पे काम करने दीजिए, मैक्स 2 अगर जरूरत है तो दूर दूर से, एक आगे की गाड़ी में आगे काम कर रहा है, एक गाड़ी में पीछे काम कर रहा है, सो दैट व्हाइल वर्किंग ऑन द कार ऑल्सो दे आर मेंटेनिंग ए गुड सोशल डिस्टेंस. सेफ एंड क्लीन एनवायरमेंट फॉर एम्प्लॉय, दैट इज फाइन. नाउ थर्ड पॉइंट है, दे विल ओनली वियर यूनिफॉर्म एट द स्टूडियो. कहने का मतलब है अपने घर से जो कपड़े पहन के वो लोग आ रहे हैं, दे विल चेंज एंड वेयर वर्क यूनिफॉर्म एट द स्टोर, एंड बिफोर दे लीव they will remove the uniform every day at store and you can wash them by disinfectant. Means स्टोर के कपड़े वो लोग घर पे नहीं लेके जा रहे हैं, घर के कपड़े वो लोग स्टोर में यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं, जिसके कारण कोई भी ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ वायरसेस होने के चांसेस हम लोग बहुत कम कर रहे हैं. we're trying to reduce the chances. Now when your employee comes in the morning, whatever he has some belongings like a bag or something or his shoes and everything, you should spray every belongings with some disinfectant every day on their arrival. Moment they arrive, you should do this along with their vehicle. If they're coming on a two-wheeler or something, you can spray a disinfectant on their two-wheelers, on their shoes, on their belongings, even some mobile or anything. But यहाँ पर you'll have to always ensure the safety. They should not inhale the disinfectant. You should not spray on their open skin or somewhere on the face or everywhere. No, only on the belongings, below the shoes, or on the shoes. He can remove the shoes also, on his vehicle, on his mobile phone, on his some bag or something which he has brought. So you can spray some disinfectant on belongings of your employees. So that is to ensure that when he comes to your store, you have taken a precaution that he is not bringing in any germs, bacteria or virus in your store. Now, you should give them gloves to wear, but please understand, you have to discard the gloves after daily use. जो भी उसको gloves दे रहे हैं, please throw away far from your store. Do not try to save money and use them again. So please do this every day. जितना भी टूल्स हैं, वर्क एरिया है, फ्लोर है, आपके इक्विपमेंट्स हैं, आपके मशीन्स हैं, वैक्यूम क्लीनर्स हैं, वाटर जेट्स हैं, पॉलिशिंग मशीन है, व्हाटएवर इक्विपमेंट्स योर एम्प्लॉय इज गोना use every day with every tool, you should clean and sanitize them. This is the most important, because अगर हम बोल रहे हैं कस्टमर की गाड़ी हम सैनिटाइज कर देंगे, बट हमारी दुकान, हमारे टूल्स, हमारा एरिया में ही हमने बराबर नहीं किया है, तो कस्टमर is not gonna believe you. How can he do when he has not taken utmost care on his own tools, work area and equipment? And then daily, जब भी आपका काम बंद करोगे, whatever time slot government in your state has given you to work, so you should post closing ask all your employees to change their work clothes, even the aprons or whatever microfiber clothes or whatever he must have used, you should sanitize them, clean and sanitize them before your employees leave the store. Surface for the sanitization for the store, तो आपके स्टोर में there will be plenty of surfaces, floor होगा, door handle, your sofa, chairs, trays and everything you should use to disinfect. जो रोज जो भी आप घर में झाड़ू पोता या mopping, wet mopping, whatever you are doing, you should do with a disinfectant. Right? So all your tools also same way, and even your trolleys, brushes and everything, whatever microfiber you have used for one car, you should keep them aside. Don't reuse it on other car, and clean them at the end of the day, and whatever is your possibility, जैसे भी आपको साफ करना है, but please take care that microfibers and everything, whatever you are gonna use to even clean your door handles and your surfaces and everything, once you have done the cleaning, you should clean those microfibers also. You never know that what kind of any transmission has happened to the microfibers or not. So you should always take care that not to reuse microfibers without cleaning them, which is very, very important. And while using a microfiber and while doing your surfaces, door handles and everything, you should wear a gloves, or ask your employees to wear gloves and clean your store every day. Now, customers may come in your store, so you'll have to make habit that once the customer leaves, you will have to sanitize your reception counter. जिस कुर्सी में वो customer बैठा था या lounge में बैठा था, whatever things your customer has touched, like a rate card, or if he has used a washroom, you can spray disinfectant or ozone once customer leaves. Whenever you use ozone in the room, even in your cabin or your washroom or even in your house, bedroom or everywhere, you should make sure that you follow the principles of ozone. No one should be inside the room. There should be no human being while using an ozone machine. I need not say that you all guys are very smart enough and knowledgeable enough that you should keep some dustbins and tissue boxes at reception, office cabin, customer lounge, restroom, whatever it is, that somebody who has used tissue, don't keep them lying around in the store. You have to dispose them immediately. These are like general, very generalized steps. But see, what we are trying to do over here is that we are trying to invite customers for car sanitization, and when customer walks in, he should have a trust, और he should have an what you say, एक भरोसा होना चाहिए उसको, एक अच्छा लगना चाहिए कि being in this pandemic we have reopened but we are taking more than required care. So customer should feel that he is very safe at this store, so he will recommend more customers to you, and he will also do your mouth publicity that I went to this store for my car sanitization. But these guys were looking very professional, and they had taken utmost care while doing all my car sanitization. Some very important steps before you do car interiors or car sanitization and everything. Now, moment customer comes, he will give you the car keys and all those things. So before you take the keys from the customer, you should take it, do not take it in hand, take it in a tray or something. You can ask him to put it in a tray where he drops the car keys, so you are not touching the car keys. And car keys and door handles and seats and everything, you should first wipe down with a sanitizer before you even start detailing them. Yes, it is going to be a little reverse over here. Generally we clean first and then we do that, but here why I am trying to tell you this is because you don't know कार किसने धोया है रोज 2-3 दिन से, उसका वॉचमैन या 2 महीने से कोई धो रहा होगा गाड़ी. फ्रॉम व्हाट इज द हेल्थ ऑफ दैट गाय हु हैज बीन वॉशिंग दोस कार्स ऑन एवरीथिंग, एंड कस्टमर हैज ब्रॉट इन ओवर हियर, वेदर ही हैज transported someone in his car to hospital or not. Customer is not going to tell you everything. He comes there, ye car sanitize kar do. So you are the one who will take measures, steps to save yourself, protect your employees. So car keys, and जहां भी आपको लगता है कि कस्टमर या किसी ने गाड़ी पे टच किया होगा, before starting any work on that, please wipe those surfaces with a sanitizer before you start detailing them. उसके बाद you do as you do, मतलब you will dry vacuum the interior, you can use steam machine, जो भी आप यूज करते हैं, मतलब then it's a normal cleaning job to you. You clean that car howsoever you are doing. आप steam machine अगर यूज करना चाहते हैं तो उसके पानी में भी you can add disinfectant, so that whatever steam you are spraying, that is also with the disinfectant. Now जिन लोगों के पास steam है, they can also use a steam machine, of course water mixed with disinfectant, and they can fill the car, whole car room with the steam. Means सारे खिड़की doors गाड़ी का बंद कर दिया, car is also off, एक पीछे वाला डोर खोल के you can start filling the steam. तो पूरा गाड़ी के अंदर steam भर जाएगा. Close the door and keep it there for 5-10 minutes. This is an optional if you feel that car was not used at all for 45-50 days, and when you open the door there is some bad odor or there is too much of dust inside. So this filling of the steam with disinfectant will make it settle down, which you can do. It looks also good to customer that we have filled his whole car with sanitization, and steam is a little more effective because steam has some moisture. That moisture will trap the heavy dirt and germs and bacteria and bring it down. If you don't want to use that option, you can spread the interior with antibacterial cleaner, and then see whatever all-purpose cleaner or multi-purpose cleaner and whatever you are using, you can add a disinfectant to that and clean your interior as you do. Scrub, clean with sponge, brush, जैसे भी आप करते हैं, no change in this. Just I would suggest to add a disinfectant in your existing interior cleaner what you have, right? Dashboard, steering console से चालू इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि those are could be most effective area. So you are detailing, you'll have to just change a little in your detailing habits. That start with dashboard, steering console, driver seat, because that is where could be the more infection would be. AC vents के आसपास उसने हाथ वाथ लगाया होगा, तो you can brush that AC vents and hard to reach area. Wherever you feel that when you start cleaning that these were the areas could have been touched by your customer or his driver or his watchman while cleaning every day. So first start with those areas so that your employees are a little safer, and then you can do interiors however you do it. So there is no much change in the process of doing interior, just two things: wipe down with a disinfectant before you start on those touch areas or sensible areas, then add some disinfectant to your regular interior cleaner chemical. Whatever interior cleaning chemical you are using, just add some disinfectant. Product to product, the ratio would differ. At the end of the webinar, when we talk about a product, I'll give you those ratios. So you can just add to your regular interior cleaner and start doing an interior. So that is what the best thing. And I would suggest here that best way to use a disinfectant is that you can use one microfiber, soak the microfiber in that disinfectant solution, ring that microfiber so it becomes like a tap. So that is the best way to wipe all the areas. When the whole interior is clean, you can just use a microfiber soaked in disinfectant solution to wipe all the areas. So that is the best way to do, because unless you wipe, nothing is gonna happen. So before I go ahead, मैं आपको थोड़ा सा एक स्टोरी देना चाहूंगा कि see what exactly we are going through in this COVID and Corona. First thing, this viruses are not airborne. They are not moving around in the air. Most of the time, they are spread by your saliva or your droplets which are coming out by cough or sneezing. Now, if someone in the car has also done some coughing or sneezing, those droplets may have gone on your dashboard and all those areas. Now, unless I use a force to wipe down them, those droplets are not going. So just by spraying something or just by making some steaming or smoking or all those things, it may clean the air, but it may not wipe down the area. So this is what the most important part in this virus issues is, that we cannot ignore the basic good cleaning. We have to always do a basic good cleaning, wiping off everything, and then you may treat the air. So this is how it is. Now, when we are done with interiors, you will also do an exterior sanitization. Now you can do it with steam machine, you can do it with your regular water machine also. So if you, I'll touch both the things. If you are doing it with steam machine or pump spray, you can close all windows, you can spray degreaser and disinfectant on the whole car, scrub with sponge or mitt, however you do, and then you can start spraying with the from top to bottom. This is a regular exercise what you do, but here we are just trying to add a disinfectant on the exterior body also. And then after cleaning, you can clean the car with microfiber, but before handing over the car again, at the last time, again you can wipe the door handles and contact areas with disinfectant. Now if you are using an high pressure jet or a water machine, same process. After removing any tars and all those things, whatever shampoo you are using, in that car shampoo you should add some antibacterial disinfectant, or you can use an antibacterial shampoo. However you spray that with your gun or whatever area you are using to spray the shampoo foam or a snow foam on your car, do it same way. Just in that shampoo, I suggest to add a disinfectant. Wash mitt to scrub area as usual, and then rinse with water as usual. You do clean with microfibers, and again here, before handing over the car, wipe the door handles and contacts area with disinfectant. When I say wipe with disinfectant, means you have a microfiber which is soaked in the disinfectant, ringed, for the excess, and that damp microfiber is been used to wipe down all the areas. Also sanitize the car keys and deliver him in a tray. Do not touch the key while giving it, so it is like contactless delivery. Now we'll talk about something sanitization for visitors and customers. So some important step measure you should take care, which is very generalized, but I'm just trying to give you again that you should keep sanitizer at entry point of your shop, so that every visitor who is coming in and out of the shop, he can use it. So it has to be at very convenient and prominent location, that we have put in sanitizer with a pump, or maybe foot step one contactless, whatever is easily available to you, you should put that sanitizer. But here the most important thing is that you should keep record, means that register record of every visitor who walks into your store, his name and phone number to be written in daily register. Why this is very important means, see, you don't know everyone who is visiting your is gonna become your customer. There will be people who may visit your shop for inquiry also, but everyone who is visiting to your shop, who has entered your shop, you should have his name and number. In future, if there is any trouble, you can track down that from which area he would have come. Maybe it would be help to government also. If that customer had visited, or that visitor, anybody who has come for inquiry, he has been diagnosed by COVID positive, so you can also understand that how it infected to your store or not. So please don't mind, and this is a new practice which you should do. So if you, I believe that you may not have a security guard outside, so you'll have to do it on your own, or you will have to ask किसी एक के जवाबदारी लगानी पड़ेगी in your employees, your receptionist or something, that you are recording every visitor. And do not ignore this step, please record every visitor who walks in to your store. Touch his car while looking around. Generally we do that when customer comes or a prospect comes to inquire. We take his car keys and sometimes we try to open his doors and everything. So before you do that, please understand that you are not safe to touch his car without sanitizing. And whosoever is coming in need not say, these days there is no handshake, you can do namaste or whatever greet you want, and you can also display signage that, so that he doesn't feel, by natural, from these many years we are doing handshake, so it is by natural that if someone walks in, हम हमारा हाथ आगे कर रहे हैं, तो वो थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है आप लोगों को. Now a visitor has come to your store. Generally what we do, we hand over our rate card, or our brochures or everything. So here also I would suggest that do not hand over the rate cards. You can show it him digitally on TV or laptop. If that is not possible, at least you can keep a glass on your table and put a rate card below that glass, so that he is not touching that. And those glass you can sanitize every time he puts a hand on it. So because he's not going to carry away those rate cards, he may give it back, and you don't know what is going to happen with that, so you should not take risk. I would suggest to encourage digital transaction. I am aware every time it is not possible, but yes, you should encourage digital transaction, so you are not going through much of the touch and everything. Clean and safe environment for signages to maintain social distancing means you can put some signages on floor or on your walls or anywhere where you are asking him to maintain a social distance. So that is what it is. And if customer agrees for service, so you have to, and he is not going back, because there may not be an auto rickshaw or public conveyance easily available. So if customer insists to wait while you are doing it, you will have to request him and kindly ask him to not to roam around the studio. He should be asked to wait at a particular lounge or chair, or only so that he is not roaming around. Just आपके दुकान में घूम नहीं रहा है, हर चीज को उठा के देख रहा है जो देगा, because these are not normal conditions now. So you should not allow your customers. उसको बुरा लगेगा, but he can also understand he should not touch anything in your shop unless you are showing him honest that. Contactless pickup and drop. You should try and do contactless pickup and drop. So ये पूरा का पूरा मैं आपको जो presentation बता रहा हूँ, I am trying you to practice some things where you can avoid touching anybody, and I want you guys to be safe, your employees to be safe, your shop to be safe, so that in this post lockdown nothing is happening to your business and everything, and we are bouncing back and we are coming back to normal. So contactless pickup and drop के ही सारे ये points हैं. So whenever customer comes or you go to, you send someone for the pickup, then also you have to do that. You will have to send your guy with a tray and everything. He takes the car keys in the tray. Before he starts to bring the car, he should also carry a sanitizer or a disinfectant with him, with a microfiber. So अगर आपने गाड़ी पिकअप के लिए भेजा है तो आपका ड्राइवर या आपका बंदा जो भी पिकअप में गया है, प्लीज सेंड हिम विथ ऑल द microfiber and disinfectant and everything, so that before he starts customer car, he should do that touch area sanitize, then only he should bring that car to your studio. Once your car reaches the studio, you can make a job sheet which you can send customer as a picture on WhatsApp. No need to send him. अगर आप मैनुअल बिल भी बना रहे हो तो व्हाट्सएप से फोटो लगा के भेज दो. तो जितना हो सके आपका टच किया हुआ सामान कस्टमर को नहीं जा रहा है, कस्टमर का टच किया हुआ सामान आपके पास नहीं आ रहा है. दैट इज व्हाट द बेस्ट वे टू अवॉइड. आपका कार इज रेडी फॉर डिलीवरी, यू कैन पुट some plastic cover on driver seat, so that if your driver is going to deliver the car, so he can sit on that plastic cover, reach and and when he reaches your customer, he can remove that plastic cover and sanitize some touch areas and deliver the car and throw away that plastic covers and everything. So in customers perspective, we are taking very much care, and for our safety also we are taking utmost care. गाड़ी कस्टमर को डिलीवर करने से पहले आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड के आस्क योर गाय टू सैनिटाइज ऑल टच पॉइंट्स एंड हैंड ओवर द कीज इन ट्रे टू इंश्योर द टचलेस डिलीवरी. Soft copy of invoice, digital transaction are advisable, but yes, they're not possible every time, so we should do whatever we can do that, right? So maybe I will just open up a chat for everyone before I present the products. If you have any doubts or any questions, so shall we go ahead to the product, or anyone if he has any doubt, please type Y. If you have any doubt, please type N if you don't have any doubt. Or I'm seeing some question answers also coming in. Tips for doorstep detailing, please. Very good question. Fine. So whenever you are going to a doorstep delivery, means, one second, I'm not seeing his name, so it's okay, no worries. Tips for doorstep detailing. Yeah, Deepak Pandey, is it safe to disinfect in steam machine, ozone purifier or steam cleaner for interior? Fine, guys. So I'll take these questions one by one. Please understand, doorstep detailing means you're doing a mobile detailing. So all the steps of sanitization is same to you. You have to carry disinfectant with you and sanitize it. So there is no extra tips for doorstep detailing. Whatever you are doing at the store or at customer's doorstep, your sanitization process remains same. Before you take delivery or start working on a car, you will sanitize plenty of things. Harish Kumar wanted to know ozone purifier or steam cleaner for interior. Both, whatever you have, you can use. Steam is mainly for cleaning. If you are looking to kill some germs, bacteria, bad odor is ozone. So both have different way of doing it. They have for different purposes. Steam is for the cleaning and ozone is for germs and bacteria at end of the job. Yes, it is safe to add disinfectant to steam machine. Yes, in the ratio 1:20, you can add disinfectant to steam machine water. Nothing to worry. Possibility of bike detailing service post lockdown. Yes, there is plenty of possibility because see, जिसके पास भी bikes हैं, they will be going to work and they need to detail them and they need to sanitize them. So there is plenty of possibilities. Plastic in sheets, yeah, matlab some kind of plastic on the sheet where your driver is sitting while delivering the car. So while going to delivery, he is not sitting on the seat where you have already sanitized. So your driver should sit on a, you can use some kind of an, what you say, maybe plastic sheet. If you don't have that, plastic covers also, this plain sheets are available in a roll kind of form. You can put that sheet on the seat and drive the car. Yeah, so one more question have come. Are ozone machines reliable? Very good question. Mr. Jishan Patel, you have come up with a very, very good question. See, now what exactly is ozone machine? Ozone machine is converting O2. O2 is oxygen. They are converting oxygen to ozone, O3. So when O2 is converted to O3, O3 is not an oxygen. So you should not inhale the ozone. So if you meant by reliable means, is it safe to use? It is safe to use, but it is not safe for human beings to inhale. So to kill any germs, bacteria, viruses, you have to burst the O2. Burst means there are two molecules of oxygen. That is why it is known as O2. So when you burst it, it becomes three molecules. That is what it becomes an O3. But when you burst the oxygen, it is no more an oxygen. If you mean to ask me that ozone machines are reliable means, if you are trying to ask whether they are safe to use in cars, yes, they are safe to use in cars, but with the perfect precautions what are been asked to use by ozone machine. What should be the charges of for sanitization? Yeah, charges of sanitization, see, matlab, it is same what you are cleaning. I have just you are adding a disinfectant step or disinfectant product. So whatever you are charging to do an interior or exterior, you can just increase that cost to 5-10% if you want. That will become your charges for sanitization. There is no separate charges for sanitization because process of sanitization is first you will clean, then you will wipe with disinfectant, and then you will put your dashboard polish or dressings and whatever you do. So what is an extra cost to you? Extra cost to you is only a disinfectant which you are using. Generally it will be 5 to 10 rupees per car, an extra cost of disinfectant, 10 minutes of an extra workload. So there cannot be a substantial difference of any pricing. Whatever you are charging for your normal cleaning job, outside washing or interior good cleaning job, you can charge that same or you can increase a little. Yeah, steam is pure form of water. Any chemicals can mix in steam. Generally you should not mix any chemical. If you want, you can do as an optional disinfectant in the steam, 1:20 ratio. So just around 20 ml in 1 liter is not harmful, but steam itself is gonna be a good powerful cleaning agent. If you are doing it just a steam wash and you are just worried about that I should do a very good disinfectant. To reduce your step, I am asking you to add disinfectant. It's not compulsory. If you can use your steam with a pure water, nothing like it. After you have done your steam and everything, you can wipe down all the surfaces with a damp microfiber soaked in disinfectant. So there is no exactly fixed rules, but you can use that. Then Mr. Jitaksh Khanna wants to know, disinfectant is safe on plastic. Disinfectant has to be diluted with water. Minimum dilution rate is 1:10. So 90% is water. When you are using with the dilution rate, disinfectants are safe on plastic. And here I would like to draw your attention. When I say disinfectant, means I'm not saying sanitizers with alcohol. They are something different. Hand sanitizer with 70-80% alcohol is a different product. Disinfectant is a different product. You need to add water to disinfectant. In alcohol hand sanitizer, you are not adding any water. Alcohol, 70% alcohol is not safe on leathers, plastics, and very delicate surfaces. Your LCD screens and all those things, you can damage them. If Mr. Jitaksh is trying to ask disinfectant is safe on plastic, I would say disinfectant is safe on plastic when 90% is diluted with water. Situation after lockdown, I'm not an economist, so I'm not able to tell you what will be situation after post lockdown, but yes, situation will be little tough. It's not easy for every businesses to happen, but yes, in detailing industry, what I mean to say that I may not see a rush for ceramic coating and PPF post lockdown for next 1 month, but there could be possibility of offering sanitization on car. One more question I'm going to take from Mr. Sachin Gurnani. How frequently does one request client for disinfecting cars after cleaning sanitization complete at least one post lockdown? Now see, very good question, Sachin. How frequent? You don't know how much he's going to use after your service. How many people have said in that, whether they were known to him or not, where all he visited with his car to fetch some essentials or non-essential product, how much stuff of that essential non-essential products he has put in his car on seats and everything. So it is very difficult to say, but in general wise way, you should ask him to do it every 15 days. So that is what is very good. If he's using his car every day, I suggest you can make a package kind of thing, that first time it is full cleaning. After every 15 days, we will do an inside touch-ups with sanitization. So yeah, one more question. Is it possible to use ozone for bike? Not possible. It is of no use. Nothing to do with ozone on the bikes. Yeah, so main ingredients of chemicals to be noticed. We are coming to the chemical part, but I was just trying to answer your question. If you have any doubts in the process of doing it. Yes, S Garage, how long we need to keep ozone machine inside the car? 2 to 3 minutes. If you are using a 500 mg per hour machine, in 5 minutes is the maximum what you should keep inside the car ozone machine. See, steaming and ozoning is again very different, so don't get confused. Ozone is the last step, steaming is the first step. Very good question. Does ozone machine needs refilling of some gases? No. Ozone machine does not needs any refilling, no chemical, nothing. Ozone machine works on its own. It catches the O2 and converts by electric field and converts in O3. So there is enormous O2 on our planet Earth. You don't need to do anything. Ozone machine works only on O2. So where if there is O2, it can convert into O3. You don't need any refilling, no chemicals, nothing. Disinfectant one more question I'm taking. Disinfectant in steam machine in water, will it affect the machine by any chance? Yes, it can affect the machine if you increase the dose more than 1:20. You should not increase the dose of disinfectant more than 1:20. Disinfectant has to be water based, not alcohol based. Disinfectant should be poured in steam machine. Do not use disinfectant of alcohol to add in water. So 1:20. 20 ml in 1 liter if you are adding in steam machine, it will not harm your machine. What is normal life of disinfectant on car interior? That depends on the quality of disinfectant used. There are good disinfectant also which are made of hydrogen peroxide and titanium dioxide. They have a normal life of 3 months, but a very inferior quality of disinfectant may have life of 1 hour also. So it depends on life of disinfectant, will depend on the quality of disinfectant product. Yes, Vikas has got a very good question. Using disinfectant on paint surfaces doesn't leave smudges or any other marks? Good question, Vikas. See, using disinfectant means you are adding 10% disinfectant to 100% water. So 90% is water. So water marks, if your water is leaving any marks, the water mixed with disinfectant will also leave marks. So that is why I am always asking you to not to spray disinfectant, just to soak the disinfectant on microfiber and wipe before you start work, so that when you clean, it will be done. And after the cleaning, when you wipe with disinfectant, you will have to wipe again with a dry cloth, so there will be no smudge or any marks left with water. 90% is water you are using with disinfectant, so it is not gonna be any trouble of any marks. I have already answered to Arko Mandal, it is not possible to use ozone for bikes. Yeah, Mr. Anston has very good question. Using disinfectant will kill viruses also, or only bacteria and fungus? Disinfectant can kill viruses also, but it is not proven on corona. But many kind of viruses disinfectant has been able to kill. So if you want to kill viruses, you have to use a hydrogen peroxide based disinfectant, which is very effective, and they have some test reports from European laboratories that in general most of the kind of viruses disinfectant was able to clean when you wipe on the surface. So virus is on the surface, bacteria, fungus is in the air. Yeah, Mr. Amol Salunke, your question is, can we use hand sanitizer liquid with 80% alcohol procured for car sanitization, interior, exterior? No, you should not use alcohol based hand sanitizer. See, alcohol is, what is that alcohol in hand sanitizer? It's an IPA. So when we use an IPA on paint also, it removes all those old polishes and everything, it will look dull. But when you use an alcohol on soft plastics, on your leather seats and everything, it may discolor. Alcohol may discolor the leather seats or some painted plastics. And also if you use alcohol based sanitizer on your steering wheels and everything, it can disarm. So I would not suggest to use alcohol based liquid sanitizer which is meant for hand. It is only for your hands. Because see, why alcohol has been used in hand sanitizer? When you use a hand sanitizer, you rub, alcohol dries up, and your hands are safe to consume food. Here we are not asking for food grade disinfectant. You want to disinfect the surface and kill germs and bacteria and viruses. So hand sanitizer is not at all advisable in the cars with more alcohol. So Yeah, Jishan Patel, your question is, are smoke machine and ozone machine similar? As I see many selling smoke machine in name of ozone. Both machines are different machine. Smoke machine is a fogging machine. Whatever chemical you put in that, that chemical is converted to smoke. So whatever you are throwing in your car or wherever is the smoke of that chemical. Ozone machine is altogether different machine. It converts oxygen to ozone. It doesn't need any chemical. Both chemistry is far apart. So size may look similar, but they are very different machine. They are as different as basketball and cricket. No similarity, nothing. Do we need PPE kits to be weared? If you can afford and your employees can do, why not? You should. Yes, very good question. After using disinfectant, is it necessary to wash hand? Yes, it is compulsory to wash hand. Whenever you use a disinfectant, it will leave a film on your hand. It is not good to consume food without washing your hands. So whenever you finish doing a car using disinfectant, ask your employees to wash hand with a regular hand wash, whatever you are using. One more question I am getting. How about the fogger? Some says it can spoil car interior. Is that true? Mr. Vikas, I would like to draw your attention over here. Whatever chemical you are putting in that fogger machine, if that chemical can spoil interior, whether you use in the fogger or without fogger, it will spoil the interior. Hope message is very clear to you. So it is a chemical. Now, if that chemical is designed only for smell, because these foggers are for entertainment purpose, used on stage and discotheques, so they have some air fresheners or something. Either they could be alcohol based, either they could be a water based. Now if that chemical is water based, you are making out smoke of that water based chemical, it may not spoil any interior. But then when there is a smoke, when you are spraying something, there is an overspray. If you spray a smoke in the car, where it is going? It is going to stick to all your glasses from interiors, it is going to stick to your roof, it is going to stick to your car interiors and everything, because there is no escape route to the smoke. Whatever smoke you are putting in the car is going to stick somewhere. So that can form a film on interiors of car. So which is why people are not advising smoking machine for the car. So some questions are exactly same. Alcohol based disinfectant should not be used, which will answer everyone's that. Ozone is a certified cleaning method. Ozone is not cleaning method. Ozone does not cleanse anything. Ozone just purifies the air. So it is a certified air purifier. I hope this will answer your question. It is not a cleaning product. Ozone is not a vacuum, or ozone does not have any chemical which can clean. It can only purify the air. One more question from Tushar. Will disinfectant strip away any previous applied protection to car exterior? Yes, if your disinfectant is alcohol based, it can strip away any wax or sealants applied before the exterior. Now, if you are doing a washing of your car, if that chemical can strip off protection, then it can strip off protection, because as such you are adding only 5% disinfectant to your shampoo. So adding disinfectant of 5% may not remove the protection wax or sealant from the exterior, but the degreaser or shampoo, if that is strong enough to remove, it may remove. Yeah, and one more question. Can you suggest some good machine used for sanitizing the interior and then approx price? Good machine to sanitize the interior. Just see, cleaning and sanitizing. Sanitize the air, ozone is the best product to use. I'm going for one more question. Since ceramic and PPF will be in less demand, can we generate amount from cleaning? Yes, you have no option, my dear. If people are not coming for ceramic and PPF, we will have to advertise more and more about car cleaning and sanitization and frequent sanitization, which is the need of our. We need to survive in this market, so you need to sell your sanitization products. No other option. I would love to do ceramic and PPF from tomorrow, but if there is no customer for ceramic and PPF, I need to sell my sanitization services. Can we offer interior ceramic coating for longer protection? See, that is something else. For UV rays and all those things, ceramic coating has been designed, you can sell that. But if you talk me about sanitization or antiviral or antibacterial, ceramic coating may not help. One more very good question. Can Dettol be used as disinfectant in steam machine? Yes, but it will give you a lot of foam. So dilution rate has to be 1:50 if you are using Dettol. It is an ethanol based product. Dettol is not water based. It has an ethanol. So you have to reduce it to 1/50. But if you want to use Dettol in your steam machine, 1:50. So only 5 ml in 1 liter. One more question, are using smoke machine advisable? Not at all. Just stay away from those smoke machine. If you want to make a discotheque in your store, yeah, those machines would be good, or stage entry or something. Otherwise, stay away from smoke machines. They are not at all good for car interiors. Can we spray disinfectant on engine bay? You can, but I don't think somebody has opened the engine bay and touched the area, so I don't think any point. But if car went to workshop or something and customer has some psyche that somebody has repaired his car and he wants to disinfect the engine bay, you can do it. Otherwise, there is no point. One more question. Do we have to use disinfectant before ozonizing? Yes, you have to use disinfectant before ozonization. Disinfectant is for surface. So Mr. Sachin Shah, that was your question. We will give you the steps again, this presentation. First, clean the interiors, then wipe down with disinfectant. Then you can put ozone, and in fourth step, you can apply your dashboard polish and dressing as you do. Same repeat kind of question, how effective is smoke machine to sanitizing interior? Zero effective. How can we market sanitization from customers? Any thoughts? I don't think you have to sell sanitization. In this corona area, people are aware that because they are doing it, sanitization in their home, on their hands, on everything. If he starts using his car, he will have to sanitize his car also. People are sanitizing their tables, their handles and everything. So I don't think you have to sell it to customer, just you need to announce it to customer that you are the best detail shop to bring his car and bike for sanitization. So most of the questions I have covered, rest are all repetition of question. Ozone as part of air spreads across the interior. Does smoke machine does the same? Smoke machine, if you fill smoke in the car, it is gonna go inside the scope. If your AC is on, even the smoke will go in the AC. So it is whether स्मोक, और अगरबत्ती भी जला दूंगा अगर मैं गाड़ी में तो उसका भी धुआं होगा, और एसी चलाऊंगा तो वो धुआं, अगरबत्ती का धुआं भी गाड़ी में घूमेगा. सो स्मोक, अगर प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, अगर धुआं लगाने से या फॉगिंग लगाने से कोरोना जा रहा होता तो देयर वाज नो नीड ऑफ दिस वेबिनार, ऑल्सो देयर वाज नो नीड ऑफ लॉकडाउन. इतने लोग दुनिया में नहीं मरे होते अगर डिसइंफेक्टेंट स्प्रे करने से ही या खाली धुआं फॉगिंग करने से ही कोरोना जा रहा होता. व्हाई वी द होल वर्ल्ड इज इन दिस सो मच ऑफ ट्रबल. सो डोंट take any shortcuts. There is no shortcut to remove germs and bacteria, virus. It's a lengthy process. You being in detailing industry know better than anyone else to sanitize cars. So follow your detailing process. It is more detailed now. When you sanitization means you are getting into more details. So only good cleaning can remove surface bound droplets of your coughing, seizing or whatever is that. Unless you clean, सिर्फ धुआं छोड़ने से clean नहीं होगा. That is what is my final in that. So there is no new type of question is done. Yeah, Mr. Purav Patel has a good question, a different question. Can we use disinfectant on freshly done ceramic coating? Freshly done means if you wait for 7 days, yeah, you can do disinfectant on ceramic coated cars also. Don't do it between 24 or 48 hours. At least wait for 48 hours. Now it is quite hot, काफी गर्मी हो गया है, तो 48 hours के बाद ceramic coated vehicle के ऊपर भी आप disinfectant spray कर सकते हैं. One more, again same kind of question, but yeah, I will take that question. Will ozone not kill virus on surface? No, surface के ऊपर का virus you have to remove by cleaning and wiping disinfectant. Ozone is in the air, तो वो air आपके surface पे touch हो रही है. अगर वायरस को मार भी दिया या पूरा नहीं मारा तो भी वो वायरस सरफेस के ऊपर ही है, स्टिल इट इज इन योर कार. इसीलिए सिर्फ ओजोन लगाने से भी वायरस किलिंग नहीं होगा, सिर्फ धुआं लगाने से भी नहीं होगा, सिर्फ स्प्रे करने से भी नहीं होगा. अनलेस यू स्क्रब, वाइप एंड रिमूव everything from the surface, it's not gonna work. Hope it's all clear now. After interior coating work is done, can we use ozone? Yes, after interior work you can use ozone. If you want to use Dettol in APC or degreaser, 1:50. That's the dilution rate. But then it is too low a dilution rate to actually disinfect. Just for your mental satisfaction, 1:50 can be done, but actually to do a disinfectant with adding in APC or anything, 1:20 is a good product. But if you add 1:20 in Dettol, it has ethanol, so ethanol will be strong enough, and then you will be taking a hell lot of task to remove the Dettol smell from the car. Yeah, this is a very good question. Once ozone treatment is completed, after how much time we can enter the car? I'm giving you a thumb rule. If you have kept ozone for 5 minutes, go after 10 minutes. If you keep in 2 minutes, after 4 minutes. जितना time आपने ozone machine को चालू किया था गाड़ी में, उसके double time बाद it is safe to enter the car. So if you put ozone for 5 minutes, you can enter the car after 10 minutes. Yes, you need to switch on the AC while ozoning on recirculation mode. So that is what also we have taken that question. Yeah, there is one question. What about termites or bugs present inside the car? Cleaning can remove them. A good cleaning, and if you can add disinfectant to your APC to remove them. Detailing business is more unorganized market. How can we market the genuine treatment? You need to address your client. You need your Facebook post and everything. Mr. Sachin Shah has to describe, and you need to educate your customer. Otherwise, प्रे टू अनऑर्गेनाइज मार्केट. बहुत से लोग धुआं दिखा रहे हैं फेसबुक में, कस्टमर को लग रहा है कि खाली ऐसा 200 रुपए में धुआं करा लिया, एंड they are playing with human lives. We don't want to play with human lives, so it is our duty to educate our customer कि सर खाली धुआं लगाने से कोरोना जाता होता तो इतनी प्रॉब्लम में क्यों हैं हम लोग. So we, as a good IDA member or entering into our good customer market. It is our duty, and my duty was to educate you guys. I'm here to help you. So whatever you want to understand, I'll tell you, so that you convey right things to your customer and they convey by mouth publicity to other. Okay, time for the last question. Almost I see all similar question. Some questions are same repeat, and some questions I'm not able to understand what exactly you're trying to ask. Right, so I guess I've covered almost all the questions. Even if you have any questions after the webinar, I'm here. Malcolm, you can send a WhatsApp message to me. Those who have my number, or those who have Malcolm's number, you can SMS or WhatsApp the questions to me. We can address it again to your question. If we have tried to cover all the questions, there were around hundreds of questions, but most of the questions were almost similar. So if there is any extra question, we can cover it after that also. Nothing to worry. Now, I'm gonna take this opportunity to introduce two new products in disinfectant category. We are introducing one product called in Detail Max category. It is known as BenzaClean Ultra Disinfectant, and second product is imported product Viral Oxy, which is made in Germany. So both are different products. I'll explain you in small 2 minutes that what exactly are those products. 1 second. Question. Yeah, so I'm taking last question which has come, which is disinfectant के बाद में interior polishing लगा सकते हैं? Yes, you can. After disinfectant, you should, and I would suggest you should add disinfectant to your interior polish in 1:20 ratio. So interior polish जो भी आप लगा रहे हैं, that will hold that disinfectant for a little longer time and to keep it protected. So disinfectant का wipe करने के बाद you should always apply interior polish. Hope that answers your question. Fine. So Detail Max BenzaClean Ultra Disinfectant. This is a ultra disinfectant which is made as per recommendation of India Ministry of Health Affairs. Malcolm or me, we will give you the website link of Ministry of Health Affairs of India and what is the product they have recommended for sensitive surfaces and metal surfaces, right? So there are two products which Ministry of Health of India is trying to ask people to use. One is sodium hypochlorite and second is benzyl ammonium chloride. Sodium hypochlorite should not be used on car because it is corrosive in nature. गाड़ी पे जंग rusting लग सकता है if you use sulfate in that. So benzyl ammonium chloride is the best product which has been given certified by MHA also, and in US, Canada, Europe, everywhere benzyl ammonium chloride based disinfectant is the best disinfectant for your surfaces. No alcohol. Yes, dwell time. This is what you need to understand, that you should keep that for 10 minutes to kill all the bacteria. So when you are applying BenzaClean, you should leave it for 10 minutes to be most effective. It is a non-toxic formula, no foul smell, no fumes, safe on skin. It will not irritate or give any blisters or any problem on the skin, but you need to wash hand before eating. Packaging is 5 liter, dilution ratio 1:10. Sodium hypochlorite is also known as bleach powder. So that is what you should not use on the cars, either on exterior, either on interiors. Water-based product makes it easy to wipe, no streak marks, safe for leather and other delicate parts of car. You can use BenzaClean with steam machine also. You can mix with water 1:20. You can use with pump spray, trigger spray, pneumatic gun, as ever you want to spray. But normal pump spray is more than enough to use it. Yes, it can be used as additive to any chemical, shampoo or dressings or dashboard. You can use it as an additive also. You can use it as a multi-purpose disinfectant to wipe any surface in car, your office, your home furniture, your floor, mopping, your glasses, your door handles, anywhere and every surface. You can use this disinfectant to clean or disinfectant your surface. 1:10 dilution, keep it for 10 minutes, then wipe it. That is what is the process. Now, one of the best product made in world, Viral Oxy, made in Germany. This is the only company who has certificate from European laboratories that it can kill corona type of viruses also. So this is an high efficiency Viral Oxy, which is made of an hydrogen peroxide and titanium dioxide. So this is the most unique. This is a powder based product. It doesn't comes in a liquid. So you will also get in a form of a powder. 1:100 is the dilution rate. You will add 10 grams of powder to 1 liter of water. So you will have to mix it on your own with your own water and use this product. So chemistry of Viral Oxy is balanced. It is stabilized between hydrogen peroxide and crystalline titanium dioxide compound. Now, titanium dioxide will leave a small type of a coating on your surface, and that coating will keep the surface antibacterial and antiviral for at least 1 to 3 months. So if it is from very exposed area, 1 month, or it is not exposed area, up to 3 months. Even if you use any soap, any degreaser, APC with brush scrubbing and everything, titanium dioxide coating is not gonna be loose. It will stay there at least for 1 to 3 months. So it has a long cycle. Yeah, and 1% solution are stable for 10 days. So it is the most safest. You can use to even wash your utensils. You can also do your laundry with this product. It is also safe on your vegetables also. But yeah, I don't suggest you to use on vegetables, but yes, non-irritants to eye, non-irritant to skin, fully non-toxic. These are the Viral Oxy certification. Everyone who is in this webinar, we will email you, we will send you the links of the website where you can go and read out everything about Viral Oxy. They became the first company from Germany to have an expert opinion from the European hygiene labs, from the medical universities also, that whether it can kill coronavirus or not. So this ends our presentation. So any further questions, I can take it again in next 5 minutes, and then I can thank you all for coming to this webinar, and be safe and be very much safe with your employees and your stores and everything. So I'm open for any questions if you have. Otherwise, we can end this webinar over here. Yeah, so one question, can BenzaClean be sprayed in AC vent with steam? You should avoid spraying any disinfectant. See, disinfectant is for the areas where somebody has touched. So I don't think somebody has put his finger deep into the AC vent and touched an area with viruses. So wiping is more than enough. Yes, guys, so I don't see any what you say, any more questions? So thank you guys, thank you very much for attending this webinar and taking out the time. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach me on my WhatsApp also. Those people who don't have my number, I'm just putting it over here. You can reach me out anytime. This can bring me on my WhatsApp. And thank you very much. Stay very safe. Please remember, you are the most important person in your business and family. Don't take any chances. Be yourself isolated. Don't go out and see your customer's car and go overbound. 50 दिन 60 दिन से जेल में छूटे हैं, तो don't try to go and do everything. Very safe, and open your detailing store safely and keep your employees and your customers safe. Bye bye. See you soon, and anything you want, I'm there on WhatsApp. Right guys, I don't think there is any other question, so I'm just looking at one more time. Yeah, so most of the questions are repeated questions, so I'm not taking any other questions. But yes, me and Malcolm will be always there. Those who don't have Malcolm's number, I'm putting it over here again. You can reach any of us and we will be more than happy to help you out. We are selling antibacterial products. Both of the products are live on our website, and whatever details you want from us, we will be more than happy to help you out. Right guys, bye bye and stay safe.